We are students from Jerusalem College of Engineering, and this interview is part of our project titled Interview with an Entrepreneur. Today, we are honored to interview the owner of Subastri Chemical Group of Companies, a leading chemical distribution company established in the year of 2007. And the company has built a strong reputation in supplying high quality dyes, auxiliaries, and ETP chemicals to the textiles and manufacturing industries. With a strong commitment to quality, sustainability, and customer satisfaction, Subastri Chemicals continues to grow as a trusted name in the industry. We are excited to learn more about the journey, vision, and future plans of the company. Thank you for joining with us today, sir.
Thank you.
Firstly, I'll start with a few questions for you, and after that, my teammates will continue to the next question. My first question is could you briefly introduce yourself and share your entrepreneurial journey?
Yeah, actually, I'm a textile chemistry student in the postgraduate degree. I did my MSc Textile Chemistry in Harappa University during the year of 95. After that, I was working in so many textile manufacturing company, dyeing industry, printing industry, and more than 1 year experience in NCR process also in Thailand also. After that, I started working the marketing side, chemical marketing side, as a general manager, more than 7 years. And the company name is Biotech Limited. After that, I started my own in the year of 2007. Till almost more than 18 years, I'm doing good. Have know the all the types, technical types of industry also. Having good relations with now the company is turnover is 35 crores per annum. We are planning to make a small right now. 35 we are working on it. Thank you.
It's really inspiring to hear about the experience in entrepreneurship. My next question is what motivated to establish Subastri Chemical Group of Company?
Yeah, actually, the manufacturing industry, dyeing and printing industry is a huge investment, and also getting the public uses during that period. More than 15 years back, every industry based on the textile dyeing and printing facing the problem of the pollution. So that type of industry is not viable to start. But my experience was that more than almost 7 years in that industry. After that, I was working in the marketing industry. I promoted the product, particularly the textile auxiliary guys also. 30 day we can, because I am working with a lot of channel partners like. So I find out that there is a gap between the supplier and manufacturer. So that's the motivation to me to start the chemical industry. Chemical industry. Yeah.
It's very interesting, sir. And um, who is your role model or influencers that inspired you to pursue entrepreneurship?
Yeah, actually, the Mr. Sumit Sari is the founder of Rotary Pointer. Now the company is almost more than 5,000 crore company. He started almost 1997 only. 1997, he started. Within a part of 30 years period, he is crossed more than 5,000 crore company. Actually, he is the my role model. He is very aggressive in the market, and also he is very friendly with the employees and the customer also. Wherever he goes, he has a lot of friends circle. So again, he's my role model. He motivated to start the business also.
That's really great, sir. And what are the initial steps you took when setting up your company, sir?
Actually, I find out by looking after the finance segment and once it is okay, that is we can manage. After that, my first step to start the company is registration of the company and the location. and to find out the customer to start the need to start first. Okay, that is very important to beginning of the business to start. If the customer is good, our price is good, automatically the business will be grow. So that is why we open on that and get the things.
And what is your long-term and short-term goals?
Short-term goals is normally the next step is my 50 crore turnover that we are looking after. After that, we have the long-term goals is we spread all over India and throughout almost nearby countries, more than 5 to 10 countries. We are planning to work on that. So we need plan and plan to initiate the IPO. So if you want to IPO means automatically the company will grow drastically. So that's a long-term goal. We are planning on that.
It's great to hear about your plans for growth and development, sir.
Okay.
And the next question will be asked by Jagadish.
Yeah.
A very good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Mr. Series.
So for you, my question will be, what have been the major milestone or achievement of your company so far?
Major milestone initially we set up the things once we start the business. First step when I start the business, that time the very thought goal is how to balance my, because I was an employee with the MNC company, how to balance my salary with how to run the family. So that time is the initial goal. After during the period, I set the milestone 25 crores with 30 employees. That was crossed with the period of 10 years period. We crossed 25 crores. That then another 5 years we plan on 30 to 40 crores. But 40 crores not possible because of the lot of issues came in the industry. So we crossed the 30 crores with the people of 30 people. Now we are planning at the 50 under 50 crores with the 50 people. Let's see. That will hopeful to reach.
That is very inspiring, sir. And my next question will be, what kind of quality would you expect in an employee, sir?
The employee should be the honest to the management. That should be trustworthy people. Because I can say in my seat, I am thinking employees not the employees, all are friends. So everyone is totally depending on me. So I have to be responsible to all the people's employees. So I all the times I expect the trust. Trust is very important and the honest and sincere. This is a very discipline I need to operate. Every employee should be think out this is my company. So once whenever they plan like a way, automatically the company will grow. I also grow, the employee also will grow. So that way we are working on that. All the employees in my company is more than 15 years, more than 20 years like that only. So not certain period.
Yes, that's good to hear, sir. And what kind of welfare are being provided to the employees in the company, sir?
Everyone is family entertainment. We are doing every year in the annual meeting outside with all family members, not only the employees, all the employees' family also invited and the meeting in outside. And we are working on as a family. The company is working on as a family. The welfare is we are awarding to people, performer, sales performer, collection performer, and the achiever. So that way we are putting awards, rewards, and everything we are giving to them. And the incentive also we are giving to the people based on this target once they achieved. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. And my next question is that, how do you manage the supply chain systems for your company?
Yeah, supply chains because we the supply chains is normally customer also can get the material from the manufacturer itself, but the customer need immediately today itself. So that way we are mediating with the people. We are working at the bridge between the supplier and the manufacturer. That means consumer and the manufacturer. So we are giving the on-time delivery with the right products, with the right quality, with all certificates. Whenever the customer need, next within an hour, the material will be delivered to the customer. So 30 network we are planning. So 30 we are working on that, and the main motto is to satisfy the customer. Customer satisfaction is very important to grow our company.
Thank you, sir. That is very inspiring to hear, sir. And my final question will be, what kind of marketing strategies helped you attract and retain customers in your company?
Yeah, because customer strategy, normally the competition is very high in the market. Not only our industry, all the industries, competition is very high. Everyone offer the good product. Everyone offer the good price also, and everyone giving the better service also. Only thing is relationship. How to manage a customer and how to satisfy the customer. How to keep the customers always in the smiling base. So that is very important. So that way we are working, giving the right product, and updation is uh, updation is increasing every day on the every industry. But our textile industry also, textile chemical industry also, the competition is very high, and updation also. Recently, all the product is developing on the own technology. So we are the first person to replace our product itself. We are giving one product, but we are giving another product with a better performance with a better price. So no need to space given to the customer competitor. So that way we are giving the strategy and keep the customer with us.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And the next question will be asked by Kirtika.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Nice to meet you. This is Kirtika from Jerusalem College of Engineering, MBA first year. And my question is, how did you build and expand your customer base within the textile industry?
Yeah, customer base normally our industry's customer is three type of customer is there. A class customer, B class customer, C class customer, based on the potential, the capacity of the customer. So we segregate the customer base, which are the customers, whether it is corporate customer or middle level customer or small level customer. So based on that, we are segregating the product. The A class customer getting the need to get all the certificates for their customer satisfaction. So based on that, we can allot the product with a high price product, high quality product. So even C class customer also sometimes he require, no, I need this much price only, this much product I require. So based on that, we can allocate and the customers segregating like a way only.
That's really great news, sir. And my next question is, how do you decide which products or chemical solutions to introduce to the market?
Normally, the customers, our industry is wet process industry. The textile industry is wet process industry. All the time they wanted to go with the waterless process. That means low water product or waterless product. So we launch a product, we introduce a product, whichever the product giving the less water process. So running process may be a per kg of textile fabric, almost 30 to 40 liters of the water is to be consumed. So we need to reduce that maybe 20 liters or 25 liters or 15 liters like it. So we recommend that product. This product you can use, you can reduce the water, maybe 20 liters like that. So the type of product making the customer satisfied, and also they need to get the less water consumption. That will increase the productivity also. So that is a working formula we are planning on that.
That sounds really interesting. And my next question is, what measure do you make, do you take to maintain product safety and quality standards?
So every product getting the material safety data sheet. So whenever the customer people, the workers handling things, we are describe these are the working condition. This we have to use this type of safety safety precaution need to be taking care of this using this product. That will be intimate to the manager and the supervisor. They communicate to the worker also. That will be each and every product we can list it on the particular product itself on the car pie only. So they find out once it is getting, they are using that way only.
Great, sir. And how do you deal with competition in the chemical and textile supply industry?
Competition is very high. So whomever is the very customer reliable product, customer very economical product, and how to release the waterless product. So that way the competition is very high. We are the first person to introduce all the type of technologies. So I am having more than 5 to 6 suppliers. So whichever the suppliers introducing, we are, because we are the personal rapport with the customer, we can introduce immediately and taking the trials, and the customer satisfy the customer and they get the product, get the business also.
That's really interesting, sir. Does your company manage and dispose of waste in an environmentally friendly manner?
Actually, we are not a consumer. The consumer is the customer. So the customer is the end product is the ETP. Everyone having the effluent treatment plant. So whatever the waste is, finally not only our product, all the product they are mixing so many chemicals, more than 10 to 15 products they are using with the single dyeing of fabric. So all the 10 products will be collected in the effluent plant and treated with the effluent treatment plant. And whatever the waste is, because all the water is reusable. The customer, whatever the product they are using, that is all are reusable. 80 to 90% of the water reusable. Remaining will be the go for the multiple evaporate. So all the liquid will be 95% is reusable and 5% is evaporated with the multiple evaporated. Remaining the solid waste will be disposed to the cement industry. So there will be no polluted in the public or polluted in the land. So that will be very clear. We are the first people. That means the Tirupur and the Karur is the first place having the zero discharge system in the throughout the world. So we are the familiar on that. Yeah.
Great, sir. And my last question is, what advice would you give to MBA students who aspire to become entrepreneurs?
Yeah. Actually, the MBA student is first of all you are learning from the institution theoretically. Then you have to work with the wherever having your interest, whichever the interest area that you need to find out, and there you have to work in the industry for some period. So you have to learn what you are going to do, what you are going to not to do. So that is very important. Then you can start with the small things and get the learning also, and you can slowly expand. So that is very important. First is your interest. Where you are having the interest, then you can start on the way. You are work on the way, then you can start on the way. That is very important. Then you keep the employees as a swelling base. That will be the success story on the your beginning on the things. That is at least two all times.
It is a very inspiring words. And thank you so much, sir. With this, we came to end of our interview. We sincerely thank you for sharing your entrepreneurial journey, challenges, and valuable guidance. It has been a great learning experience for us, and your experiences and advice were truly inspiring and very helpful for us MBA students. We wish you and Subhashri Chemicals continued success in the future. Thank you once again, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks, Getia. We wish you all the best to Getia, Jagadish, and
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.